Hey, hello, good evening, everyone. How are you all doing? Let me see how many students we have today. So, first of all, welcome you all to the convocation. That is, today we are basically going to release the certificates for Python for data science and JavaScript program, which happened like recently for the weekend. We had Python for data science and we had a weekday program for JavaScript essentials, right? So, all the people, right, who have already attended these sessions and filled the attendance, so we're going to distribute the certificates who have cleared the exam. When I say clear the exam, right, have scored 40% and above in the whole exam, right? So before we go ahead, right, let me just understand like from which program you guys are. Like, please mention in the chat which program out of JavaScript or Python for data science or any other program which you have enrolled into Let's Upgrade right now. Let me see in the chat what you guys are responding. Meanwhile, I'll just get the setup done for you guys, certificates to be issued and released right away. Right, so I'm just looking in the chat, guys. Just let me open the chat as well. Okay, so Hajama is saying JavaScript essentials. Namaste, Viplav. Okay, I am seeing your message. Okay, I'll call you after this. Okay, so let me just open Let's Upgrade. JavaScript essentials, Python for data science. Okay, how many people do you have? 63 people and just 10 responses, right? Okay, Python, great. Right. So what we'll do right now is I'll just let me share my screen real quick. I'll explain JavaScript essential where to take the exam. Okay. So first of all, I'll clear a few doubts. Let me just share my screen for that. Just let me. Okay. Mm, just a minute, guys. I'm trying to share the screen. Okay. So yeah. So I hope you guys can see my screen. Is it visible clearly? Can I get a confirmation in the chat? If you guys can. Okay, I can see my screen. Great. So first of all, again, welcome you all. A very good evening and welcome to Let's Upgrade's virtual convocation. This whole session is nothing. We are not going to learn anything. It is just to congratulate people who have completed the program and to help you with the way ahead, what you can approach or what you can learn after this program of essentials, right? So that we are going to do. And today we have just two programs for the previous week. Similarly, this week programs which are having, right, we'll meet again in the next week to congratulate people who have completed their essentials program in this week, right? So moving on, as I mentioned, two programs which we are going to deploy certificates today are JavaScript and Python for data science. So the very first thing, right, how you can see the certificates, where to see the certificates, and when do you get a certificate if you're not able to give the exam. If you're not given the exam right now, do you get a certificate or not? I'll clear your questions one by one, so just stick around. Let's go step by step, right? First is visit letsupgrade.in. So all you need to go is go to the website. If you have an account already, that is a very important thing. You should have a registered account, and then only we are able to assign the program to you, track your attendance, allot you an exam and give you a certificate, right? So for that, it is very mandatory for you guys to register an account. If you don't have, just head over to letsupgrade.in, and all you have to do is just go and register. Just let me just take you to a quick tour of our website. Just also add my screen. I believe I will have to add a window or something. Just give me a minute, guys. Entire screen window. Yep. So I believe now you are able to see the whole window. Just waiting for the yes. Yeah. So all you have to do is, guys, just go to letsupgrade.in and you will able to see. If you have not registered, right, just go and sign up or sign either using your email ID password or either using your Google account. Then the next thing you have to do is go and check the my exam section. So right, so suppose I'm clicking on the my exam sections, all the exams I am eligible for, I will get it right here, which I have not attempted. If you see, right, these are the live exams which are going right now. You have to just go and attempt an exam. There will be few, like for essentials, there are just 15 questions you have to answer, MCQ based questions, and that's it. You have to give the exam, and within 24 to 48 hours, you will get a confirmation key. Yes, this is the certificate, cleared the exam. The passing percentage is 40%, right? So I hope you are clear where to give the exam. So those who are not able to see the exam or haven't received the email, maybe it has gone to spam or something, just head over to letsupgrade.in/my exams, and you should be able to see your exam right here. Second thing in the slide which we have seen, right, that is where to see the certificate. Similarly, we have a section separately which says my certificates, right? So here you will be able to see all the certificates that you have earned. Okay, here you will be able to see all the certificates which you have earned. So let me just do a quick thing. Just hold on. I'll actually show you how certification works. So basically, you will have to give what I say 200 LU coins. I'll just quickly show you. Give me a moment. Meanwhile, what I want you to do is, if you can help me understand, right? So this is the program, right? We have done JavaScript and Python for data science. What is the next essentials you would like to have from our side, from Let's Upgrade, that you would love to attend, and you would also bring your friends to attend? Sorry. So what are those essentials, right, which you think yes we should do? So just put in the chat, and we'll surely look into it and make sure that those are happening, right? Because we are going to line up the June month's calendar like something, right? So I would like to hear from you guys as well. What are those programs, right, which you guys want from us so that we can do? Chirag, just certificates are not yet released. We are going to release those in this session, right? So that is one thing. So what I'll do is, right, meanwhile, guys, you guys are answering. Okay, keep on responding. I'll show you a quick demo how to see the certifications meanwhile. Till then, all I need from you is your response, what all programs you need for the next month. Okay, so I have React Native, Django, ML, React Native, MongoDB, ML is already there. So those who have saying ML, that is already there. So we are already doing ML, so that's already there. Okay, so next we have React Native. That is something, no result will be declared today. Flutter we have already done in the last month. You want us to do Flutter again, we will surely do it. Automation, okay, MATLAB, Django, React Native. Ethical hacking, that's something new. Just a minute. Okay, so Nidhi, can you just meanwhile take responses from the student? I'll just show them a demo how certifications work.
Sure.
So we have ethical hacking, Python, Flutter session. Okay, so you need React Native in depth.
It's also there, so.
Yeah, let me refresh.
Sure, sir.
Let me.
Everyone, we have 93 people here. कौन से program से बताओ सर? In my profile, it is option for my exam click.
See, if you have, when I say, right, if you have already, if I say, right, if you have attended the session for 3 days, if you have submitted the attendance, right, which we give the form, if you have done that, then surely you will be able to see the exam already there. Okay, so those are mandatory things which I guess we had already explained. When you register, you have to attend the sessions. Okay, then only we can make you eligible for the particular exam. So let me
So,
just
you have to put your attendance with the registered ID, guys. So the web very notice that students there are students with different IDs registered on our website. So make sure कि आप attend जिसने register किया हुआ है.
Nidhi, your voice is cracking. I believe there's some issue with the network from your end. Let me just again post the certificates. Yes. So let me just do a quick refresh if I can see the new certificate. Yes. Right. So now what we are going to do, right? I'm going to explain how certifications are going to work for you, and we'll first release JavaScript certificate. So how many JavaScript students are here in this session? How many JavaScripts? Can I guess? Can you guys raise a hand in this chat or something? How many of you have done JavaScript essentials in the past week? So I am going to release your certificates right away, and then we are going to come and refresh, and then I'll tell you how to see the certificates. So how many of the people are here for JavaScript essential certifications? I hardly see 10 people. Only 10 students for JavaScript. I have of what, 300, 400 certificates. Okay, great. So let's do this. I'll just do a quick check. Okay, so now I see some noise in the chat. Okay, so okay, let's follow some process, right? All you have to do is, when I say yes, I have released the certificate, you have to go to this section, right? As I mentioned, you have to go to this section on the website and do a refresh, and you should be able to see your certificate right here. And you have to confirm me if you can see it right here. And one more thing, you have to click on the unlock button. You should have 200 LU coins. If you don't have, please go and register your friends and get those LU coins. You can actually see those in rewards. Okay, whatever you earn, you will have a scratch card which you can scratch and get the LU coins. And you have to collect 200 LU coins to download a soft copy of something. That's the one time activity. Once you download, you can download it multiple times. That's one thing. So that's how you unlock. So once I hit on unlock, right, it will ask me the address, and whatever address is there, you put your actual address, because we are going to send you appreciations letter. Those will be hard copies which are personalized for you, right? For that we need your address. Make sure you are putting your correct address here, and then you hit on. We have one more thing. If you hover over this, right, profile name, make sure the name is written here correctly. If you want to change this name, all you need to do is go into this profile section and change your name and come back and unlock the certificate. Okay, make sure this is done and you unlock the certificate. It will ask for a confirmation, and once you hit unlock, your certificate will be downloaded. Okay, so now let's do this for JavaScript students. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, okay, so we are going to release JavaScript certificates in 3, 2, and 1. So JavaScript certificates are gone, guys. Please go and refresh your certificate section and give me a confirmation very quickly if you guys can see your JavaScript certificate and that unlock button. Okay, I need a confirmation in the chat so that we get to know. See, if you can't get LU coins, it's very simple, right? I'll tell you how you can also earn LU coins. It's very easy. It's nothing. Meanwhile, I'll tell how to use LU coins. See, just need to go and share this program with your friends. Okay, these are free programs. Get the link, share it with your friends. Once your friend enrolls into the program, right, you get LU coins which are in the form of scratch cards. Like scratch cards you guys have used, right? It will be like those, and you will see how much you have earned for enrolling into a program. Yeah, the more programs you enroll into with LetsUpgrade, the more LU coins you get. The more you share, the more LU coins you get, and the more you are eligible for a leaderboard and prizes, right? So it's about sharing what you have, right? It's all about that. So can I get a confirmation, guys? I'm still waiting. I guess you guys are checking. Okay, so I'll wait for more, 5 to 10 seconds, and I should see at least I should see a few people saying yes, they have received, so that we can move on and also share, data science, Python for data science certificates as well. I'll also move on to the certificates tab. Yes, so we have one confirmation that yes, you guys have received, right? So go and download. You will get the certificates. Now you can download for multiple times. Data engineering, can you just elaborate what you actually want in data engineering, and accordingly we can see how we can get a program. Don't spam the chat. We have got your feedback. Just mention what in data engineering you're actually looking for, and we'll see how we can help you with that. Okay, so yes, you guys have received. Now the time for next, you can say the next program, that is Python for data science. So I'll just quickly go ahead and select those students as well. When I say refresh, right, go ahead and now refresh again. You will be able to see Python for data science students. Shady, all you need to do is enroll into few more programs and you will easily have those many coins. Those are not very hard to earn. So is Python for data science certificate visible to you all? Any Python for data science students able to see the certificates? Can I get a confirmation in the chat, guys? Great. Make sure you're filling your correct details, right? If you want to go ahead and change your name, right, in the certificate, you have to change it in your profile. If there's some mistake when you first downloaded, you need to go and change the name in the profile and download it again, and the certificate will come again. Joydeep, thank you for that confirmation. So both the batches, right, have got the certificate. Now I have something special, something coupons for you, which you can, as I mentioned, right, what next you are planning, like how we can help you take the next decision. Since you have completed the essentials program, what next essential programs are we planning for your guys, and how you can upgrade in this world of technology. Chirag, if you have given the exam, have you given the exam, and are you sure you must have scored 40% and above? If you are that person, yes, I have given the exam and I have scored 40% and above, please reach to support with your registered email ID and the program name, and surely they will help you out with it, right? Abhijit, just go and enroll into the programs. Check the reward section, right? Maybe you guys might have not checked the reward section. Here is the reward section. Go and see the reward section. Yes, LU coins are, once you see, when you actually go and see LU coins, right? There's a page of LU coins where you can see how to earn LU coins. I'll just copy this and put it in the chat for you guys to see. Okay, so this is the page. You can actually go and read how easy it is to earn LU coins, and you can use those for downloading the certificates. And from various, we are having a merchandise shop coming up. You can actually use the LU coins for getting discounts on our premium programs. There are a lot of things which you can get into with LU coins. Okay, so moving ahead with the PPT, right? So since you have completed, right, since you have completed the essential program, and now we would like you to go ahead and get into something more complex and advanced. So we have a path from LetsUpgrade which we have formed over the years, which is the best for the student when it comes to easily getting a job, becoming a best employable resource out there, building hands-on projects, interacting with mentors, getting one-on-one mentorship, and mastering the, you can say, the scariest thing right now in the market, right, which most of the students are afraid of, that is data structured algorithm. So we have a complete package in that, which is like comprising of 133 classes of live learning, 100% live, a closed platform, not like YouTube, where you learn from industry professionals live, and you master data structured algorithm for literally 2 months. You are just learning about DSA, so you can crack any interview out there. You get you can say proficient in 15 projects. You get trained for placements. You have amazing interview opportunities coming, and you have one-on-one mentorship going there. Yes, it is going to be mandatory. LU coins, start referring your friends, start enrolling, mostly start doing multiple programs, and in the reward section, just go and check reward section. No guys, I believe you already have LU coins. It's not you don't have. If you want the link, right, I'll just put in the chat as well. Just check, and if you have any scratch cards, right, see how many LU coins you already have as in total, right? It is, I know you, all of you must have more than 200 LU coins for sure. Just go and check the reward section. Okay, so currently we are doing, right, two full stack programs, that is web development, data science. And where you can see those programs are, like, as I mentioned, right, go to LetsUpgrade website, and you can either scroll down or check the programs page, which we have a separate programs page. And here you will see, right, all the essential program which are marked in white, and the darker shade which you have are the premium segment programs, where we say that we are going to handhold you till the end, till you get placed into your dream company, right? That's one thing. And you can just check other essential program which are lined up for the whole month, and very soon, within 2-3 days, right, you will see the June programs also being lined up in the whole website, right? And you have to just go, and I'll help you to understand how you can go and enroll. So suppose you are going into web development, right? You will see what is the curriculum, what is going to happen, how the certificate looks. We give a government recognized certificate from NSDC and ITM and LetsUpgrade as well. This is how your certificate is going to look like, and this is the curriculum. If you see, we start from the very scratch, that is the internet, and go till the end of deploying your programs, deploying your projects on cloud and everything, right? So if you are want to try this out and enroll, all you have to do is go into Enroll, fill your forms, and once you enroll, right, you can just go ahead and go ahead with the application. But as you guys are completing, right, this free program, we have a special coupon for you, that is essential 10. I'll tell how it works and where you can do that. So this is the coupon code, essential 10. I'll just put in the chat if you want. This coupon code is valid just till tonight. Okay, essential 10. I'll just pin this in the chat. All you need to do is, once you enroll into the program, right, go into my applications and go ahead. The fees and everything is mentioned in the website. You select a cohort which you want to be a part of. We have 3 cohorts going on. Every week we launch a batch. So that's how much we students we are getting in a particular batch. Every week one batch goes live, right? You hit on submit. Like, see, if you have value coins, right, as I mentioned, you can also get a discount. So if I put this, I get a 3000 discount, and then I put my coupon code, that is essential 10, which you can and go and apply. Then you see the price becomes drastically reduced, that is 31,670 64, and that's everything included, from your learning to your certificates to your exam to your placements, everything included in the whole package. And it's a 100% placement guarantee program. It goes on for 6 months, and it's a 100% placement guarantee program. So if you want to go ahead and try, and the pricing is very clearly mentioned on the website as well. So if you want to go ahead and learn more about the programs and what programs we are doing, you can just come and explore the programs page, see what all free programs or paid programs we are offering, and you can take it ahead onwards. Yes, it is mandatory to have 200 LU points to download the certificate. It's only for the first time. Then you can download the same certificate multiple times. While I'm trying to modify the name, it is saying error code 404. Shouldn't happen. I'll check it from my end, but shouldn't happen. We just did that in the last hour or something. It's working. Abhishek, if you don't have a scratch card, right, as I mentioned, just go head over to LU coins, and there are a few activities which you can see. You can just perform those and you will be able to get LU coins. Okay, so this is the essential 10 code. Okay, and this is valid just till tonight. So I'll just put the link again for you guys of the program section, if you want to just go and apply for this full stack program, where we teach everything from, if it's web development, right, it's everything from the basics of internet to becoming the next full stack developer. इस कोर्स के बाद हमें इंटर्नशिप मिल सकती है? Yes, of course, why not? Not just internships, we offer full-time jobs as well. The current job openings which are open for just the community, right, which are here, but apart from this, these are just the 20% jobs which are available, and you can see our previous placements above here, right? And these are just the open openings for full stack people, right? We have premium openings for company like Netflix, Shadi.com, Redbus, which are not available here. Durga, the full stack program starts every weekend, like every Saturday we start one batch. So if you are someone who wants to know about it, or even just go and apply, just fill an application and you will get a call from our team, and they will help you out understanding how it happens, what are things are covered, how it is being taught. Yes, we do have EMI options. Okay, so all options, all the payment modes and everything are available on the website. Once you fill the applications, right, you just go ahead and you will be able to see, like, if I have to tell you, right, if I select this 21 May and I put this redeem option and I just go and do put the essential 10 code, this is the price which I'm getting. I just hit on continue and I just go on this, and this is the, if you do this much, and you will get a call from our team and they will explain you all the options are there. We have EMI, we have PayPal, we have net banking, UPI, all the options are there. PayPal, EMI, you can check all the options which are there for your particular card or number. You can just check those right here, right? So I believe I have cleared your doubt. Chirag, shouldn't be a problem. I'll just check from my end as well. Just let me quickly check in another tab. Just let me. It's working fine for me. So just do a refresh or something, and if still the issue exists, right, please reach out to our support. That is support@letsupgrade.in. You can just put a mail or something and they will surely get back to you. Okay, so Durga, please go and apply if you are someone who is genuinely interested in this program. You can see our recent placement in the jobs portal. All the recent placements are above there. So all you have to do is go and actually apply for this program, and then accordingly we can take things ahead from there, right? Any queries, guys? Any queries which you have? Yeah, see, we have Donald Duck. I'll just clear. Don't spam. System design is covered. System design is a part of our full stack program. System design, cloud computing, DSA, and the core development, like whatever domain you selected, data science or web development. Then you have C++ as a base language. We also teach to teach DSA. So everything is covered. It's a full stack program, as I mentioned. And 1 crore package, right? It like this you will not get. You will have to spend some years with an experience. Okay. So please don't spam the chat. I completely understand. So I believe, right? So all the doubts are clear. So I'll just again tell. So now these two programs are done, right? Explore more programs, learn more about tech and everything, enroll into as many programs as you can, complete as many programs as you can, and we'll keep on meeting with such meetups and exciting sessions for you guys. Right. So thank you everyone for being here, and thank you and congratulations to all of those who have completed the essentials program and got the certificates. And I'll see the students who have want to join the premium batches running separately, where we teach all the details and complex projects which are built hands on. So if you are those program, you can just go and enroll and we'll meet there as well, right? So thank you again for joining, and I'll see you in the next, like, what we have this Saturday. We have a batch launch, right? So we'll meet this Saturday as well. So yeah, have a great day ahead. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.